In my attempt to find easy recipes to make, I find that chicken tenders is one thing that kids at all ages and even adults love to eat. So this time I've made like a twist on the chicken tenders that we get. So here I have very few ingredients and very simple and very tasty way to do this. First we have chicken breast. If you take half a kilo, you'll get around 18 pieces. So chicken breast and some curd, a salt, Monaco biscuits and crushed Monaco biscuits. So what I do is like I marinate the chicken in the curd and salt. So if you have time, unlike me who's a very last minute cook, lazy cooking as I call it, ideally for 1 hour you should marinate in the curd and salt. If not, don't worry about it, just do it at the beginning of the step and then go on. So in this I've shown you how to just marinate the chicken with the curd and the salt. The next, crushed the Monaco biscuits with a rolling pin to get a coarse texture like this. The next step is take the marinated chicken and dip in the Monaco biscuit. So once you have breaded the chicken tenders, you can either fry it or you can bake it. The good thing about using Monaco biscuit is it's got that little burst of cheese flavor which I like with the chicken. Or else if you don't have a Monaco biscuit, you can always use breadcrumbs with little Parmesan cheese, little Italian season. You can still get the same effect. Once the chicken tenders are golden, you know that it's ready to eat.